Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, my name is Anu for those that are just joining us for the first time. So please kindly shit. Hey guys, welcome back again. Oh Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Nunu. So on today's edition, oh shit.
The pandemic.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, unboxing my camera. So I got a camera for the very first time, and I've always wanted to get a camera, but then I don't know what type of camera to get when I just got a camera. But before we go right into that, my name is Anu for those that are just joining us for the very first time. So please kindly like, subscribe. The subscription button is down below, okay? And for those that are coming back, thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So back to the camera. I'm really hyper about this, so pardon me, I might be all over the place because I'm really hyper about this. So I got the camera for the very first time, and I like to show you guys. Don't mind the package actually, because I was hyper, as you can tell. So I got the Canon EOS750D. That's my goal. So basically, after watching several YouTube videos, this is what it looks like. It's a camera and it comes with its own lens, 18 to 55mm lens. So basically, after watching several YouTube videos, several reviews, I decided to settle for the EOS750D. Yeah, and although I saw the what's it called, Mark II or something, GX7 Mark II or something, but I was like, let me just settle for this. So this is the way it comes. It comes in a box like this. Yes, the EOS750 comes in a box like this. Then when you open it, let me move back a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what is in it. So the first thing I will be bringing out is it comes with a CD. So this CD, I think, is a software, so you can download the software on your system in case you need to plug the camera to your system. It comes with a CD. Then the strap, that's the camera rope, the strap. Then okay, cables will come in. Then cables, okay, this is the power pack cable. The power pack cable, that's the to charge the battery. Then these cables, this one is for connecting to the TV, one is this, because it has this in, this yellow, black and red, is to connect to the TV, to connect your camera to the TV, and this other one is to connect your camera to the system. This is to connect your camera to the system. So we have 3 cables in it. Then let me see what else. Okay, so the next, I'm going to be opening this. Okay, and I mean, it's actually worth it. It's actually, I've seen some reviews online. It's worth it actually. So this is the charging pack, and this is the battery. So I'm to insert the battery, then unplug it, charge. Then when you plug in, it comes in yellow, charge. It comes in is it yellow or orange? I think orange. Then once it's full, it turns on green. That's to tell you it's full. And this is the lens. This is the lens it comes with. That's 18. You have everything there, 18 to 55mm lens. That's what it comes with. This is a lens kit. Some people, I think some do sell it separately, but this what I got comes together. This is the lens. So the camera. I can't dance my name. Okay, so this is the camera. I'm actually hyper, and I'm actually hyped about this I got. And this is one purchase I don't regret so far. But mind you, I'm going to drink Gary, plenty Gary for this.
Once again, asking for your financial support.
Okay, so So this is the camera, don't mind me. This is the camera. The Canon EOS750D. I think it's also known as the Rebel T6i. It was known as the Rebel T6i before it was changed to 750D. So this is it. And the good thing, the reason why I got this camera is because of this screen. Yes. So this is the screen. So when I'm recording, I could always see myself. And the good thing is it's a flip screen, because I'm supposed to record this way, myself this way. So when I'm recording this way, I get to see myself here. That's the thing about it. So I love that. And if I'm taking pictures, I could just easily do this. I could easily do this, snap my picture, do whatever I want to do and all. I mean, it's pretty nice. It's beautiful. I mean, they are father. It's nice, actually. It's nice. So basically, I'm supposed to put the lens here. Let's try that. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, so this is it. To put it, the white, you trace the white to the white on here. Yeah, yes. And it locks. That's it. Okay, the battery. Where did I put the battery? Okay. Let me insert the battery also so we see how it works. Okay, so to put the battery is underneath here. Here. This way you put the battery. Okay, so there's a sign to put the battery. Okay, this way. Am I right? No. It's this way. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Then, bam. Also, I had to get them because I can't, if I snap the pictures, where do I want to save the picture? I have to get a memory card. That's the storage device, the memory card. So I got the 64 gig memory SD card. So this is it. Card open. Just open here. Then there's a sign also that shows you how to put the card in. So then I just put the card in. Let me see, am I right? No. Okay, so bam, click, bam. Then here you have the off and on button. Go on, come in. Okay, so this is it. I turn it on. Okay, so this is it. Yay! So now I'm going to be using this camera to shoot my videos, and I mean, oh, beauty. Let's take one. Okay, so okay. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Okay, so I did take one. So this is what it looks like. This is a picture I took with it. This is what it looks like. I mean, the picture I took just now, that's what it looks like. It's actually nice. So, I mean, let's take another one. Let's see how it looks like. So I want to adjust it. This is it. Now I make it far, and I can make it very close. So I want a very up close one. So I go. Okay. I mean, guys, see this. I don't know if you could see. I would send the picture to myself and I mean put in the video. Okay, so I mean, okay, I mean, okay, I think, I don't know, we'll just, okay. Yeah, so that's it. So mind you, when getting the camera, I also had to get like, let me just turn that off. So basically, if I want to record the video, there's the off on, and this is the record button. So I just put it to video, then it goes. So this is it. So you can see this is the lens, is recording whatever is here. See, I don't know if you can see me, but that's what it's doing. And that's pretty much it, basically. So I also had to get the stand, the camera stand, because I realized the current stand I have, it's kind of light. It's too light for the camera, and it needs something heavy. So I purchased the, what's it called? It's called the Wi-Fi one thing camcorder. Oh, stay well. Okay, let me take out this stuff. Okay, come in. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. It's a big one. It's quite heavy. So, this is it. And the good thing about this stand is the fact that it comes with a bag, this bag. So in case I need to go somewhere, like, okay, I'm traveling or something, it's carryable, and it has an adjustable strap. so I could just carry like this, and I mean, put my camera in a camera bag or something. So let's open this one. Let's see. I also have a surprise for you at the end of the video, so please watch to the end of the video so you see my surprise. So this is the stand, okay? And the good thing I like about this compared to the current one I have, this, what they call it, the length, it's a tripod camera. Oh, sorry, a tripod stand. So it has this adjustable stuff. So when you open it, means you're releasing it. So this is it. I want to release the whole thing. This is it. So the moment you release the old legs, you have to lock it back. Well, the moment you lock it back, it helps it stay in place so it doesn't move. So I lock everything. Okay. So after locking, this is it. Okay. So I mean, this is what it looks like. So this is the camera, full length. This is the full length of the camera, of the tripod stand. And what I like about it again is the fact that I'm coming. Hold on, please. Okay. So what I like about it is the fact that this part of it comes up. Once it's like this, it can't move. So I lose a bit for me to be able to move it like this. And it also has an extendable. I can extend this. There's this small stuff here. There's this screw, kind of, this stuff here. So I just roll it, so it makes it extendable. So depending on the height I want. So this is it. I can extend it. I mean, see, okay, so basically this is the end. This is how far, this is how long, how tall the tripod stand is. But I mean, I don't really need that length, so let's just bring it down back. Okay, so now this part, this is the part, oh god, it's actually big, it's actually tall. So this is the part I'm supposed to adjust the camera. This part, beneath under the camera, there's a screw here. This screw, what I'm supposed to do is bring out this stuff here, fix it to the camera, okay, and it has a lock here that helps me screw it, okay. Okay, so I've screwed it, so this is it. So then I put it, I have to clip it on top here, on this rather, yes. So this is it, I've set it up, that's the end of it. So it goes this way. So if I don't want it to move, I lock it with this so it doesn't move up and down. But if I want it to move, I make it loose a bit. I mean, so this is it. And also I could also open it, come in. Okay, I could also open it if I want it to be. Come in. Okay, so this is it. I could also open it. So this is it. This way. If I want to shoot okay, I think this is landscape mode. Then this, I'm coming, please. Okay, this is portrait mode. If I want to shoot in portrait mode, I could do it this way. If I want to shoot in landscape mode, I do this way. So basically this thing. But what I'm here to figure out is if this could also accommodate phone. I really don't know about that. Perhaps I should test. I have okay, let me remove this. Okay, perhaps I should test, because if we could also accommodate my phone, I mean, that would be really nice. Let's just test. I have a holder. Okay, this is my phone holder. So let me see. I think it should be able to accommodate phone. I'm coming. We're testing, so let's just see. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay. There's no stain. There's no stain. There's no stain, no. Okay, I think this is it. So now I can put it here and look. As well, actually, I could actually accommodate my phone also. So I could also use it for, I could use my phone on it also. So that's pretty much it, guys. And well, yeah, it's quite pricey, but I mean, it's an investment I don't regret. I really don't regret buying this because I've always wanted a camera for a very long time. Way before I started YouTube, I've always wanted a camera, and now I'm actually happy with myself that I actually did get one. I'm really happy. So the other surprise I said I have for you guys, let me put this aside, is that I cut my hair. But before I show you that, appreciate this beaut. Such a beaut, such a fine girl, such a good girl. Oh God, damn it. So yeah, I cut my hair and I tinted my hair gold. I think I'm really liking this. The way I just removed it, now you need to see the fresh breeze that touched my scalp. You cannot understand what I'm saying, but you need to cut your hair to be able to understand. Let me know what you guys feel about my haircut also. Is it nice? Does this suit me? Let me move back a bit so you see me properly. Okay, yeah, so this is just a very short video showing you my camera, my baby, my beauty. Yes, this is it. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you like, okay, and turn on your notification post so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See ya.